Hello, I'm John Higgins, a strategic technology advisor and co-founder of CPA Crossings. I'd like to welcome you to our library of videos on tips and tricks of how to use all of the various applications within the Office 365 ecosystem. As you may be aware, Office 365 offers a wide variety of applications, including the Microsoft Office applications such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook. There's also an entire selection of cloud-based applications like Microsoft Teams, Yammer, OneDrive for Business, SharePoint, etc., Power BI. And so we've put together this library of video blogs that we hope to continue to add to as time goes on, that are just short little videos that are very practical. Will show you how to use a particular feature of the Office 365 ecosystem. So come and visit frequently, and hopefully you'll get a lot of value out of the little video clips. If you ever want to learn more about any particular topic, we offer an entire catalog of more extended online courses or training programs for these various applications. So I hope to see you on the blog. Thank you.